Welcome to STEM for Girls,
where creativity meets curiosity. Let's explore hands-on activities that connect science, skilled trades, technology, engineering, and math to the world around you.
Are you ready to light up your creativity? Today we're going to be making LED circuit ornaments using a simple circuit, things that are used to power everything from your phone to the streetlights. We're thrilled today to have Sarah with us to tell us a bit about her STEM journey and help us make our ornaments.
Hi, I'm Sarah Howse. I am currently an electrical inspector with the City of St. John's. When I joined 3 years ago, I was actually the first female electrical inspector for the province. The biggest thing is to advocate for yourself the whole way through. It doesn't matter how many people will tell you can't, you just got to keep going for it. If you really believe in yourself, then it will happen. But you really do need to put yourself out there in every possible way you can. You'll need an LED light, a coin cell battery, copper tape or aluminum foil strips, a button switch, and something decorative to build on, like a paper ornament.
So step one, we've made holes using our hole puncher for LED light. So we're going to take it and put it through our hole. And the long wire here is the positive end. The short wire is the negative end. So what I like to do is just take a bit of the copper wire. It's pretty easy to tear off. And I'll turn it around one end of the switch first.
Start by making 2 lines with your copper tape. These are your positive and negative wires. Insert the LED with one leg touching each line. The longer leg connects to the positive side of your battery.
We're adding a switch today so we can turn these on and off and put them in our trees. This is the same concept electricians and engineers use when wiring lights, sensors, and devices. Learning circuits opens the door to robotics, computer hardware, and even wearable tech design. Who knew decorating could be so electrifying?
Keep experimenting, keep exploring, and remember, every great idea starts with curiosity. Check out more activities, videos, and career inspiration on the STEM for Girls Learning Lab.